In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate in Adobe Express. If you've ever dropped a photo into a design and noticed the horizon is a bit crooked, or you simply want a creative angle, rotating is fast and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it from a fresh canvas so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser or desktop app and signing in if prompted. You'll land on the home screen. From here, create a fresh workspace by choosing New Design. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, and you can pick a size that fits your project. Social post, poster, presentation, or any custom dimensions. If you prefer, you can use a starter template. Selecting a sample option is a simple way to jump in with preset sizing and layout, which is perfect for practicing the rotation tool without worrying about setup. Once your canvas is open, look to the left side of the screen and open the Media panel. This is where you bring assets into your project. Choose Photo to browse your files or search available libraries. When you select a photo, it will appear on your canvas. If it lands off-center or too large, don't worry, you can resize by dragging the corner handles and drag to reposition it anywhere on the canvas. With the photo selected, you're ready to rotate. Look for the rotation handle, a small curved arrow icon that appears just outside a selected image. Click and hold that handle, then drag your mouse left or right to rotate the picture. As you rotate, you'll see the angle update, which helps you straighten precisely. If you prefer exact control, check the Properties panel on the right side. You can type in a specific angle or use a slider to fine-tune the rotation to the degree. A few tips to get a clean result. Zoom in slightly when aligning horizons or architectural lines so you can see fine details. If your image shifts while rotating, release the mouse, reposition the photo by dragging it, and then continue rotating. Use undo if you overshoot. It's the quickest way to step back. And after rotating, scan the edges of your canvas to ensure nothing important has been cropped. Adjust size or position as needed to keep your composition balanced. That's it. Open Express, start a new design, pick a sample, add your photo, and rotate by dragging the handle or entering an angle for precision. Practice a couple of times, and you'll be rotating like a pro.